Hello friends, now we come to WH questions, and these are the WH words: what, when, why, where, which, who, whose, whom, how many, how much, how long, how far, how often. Now the WH questions very easy to form if you know yes or no question. Now what is the principle or what is the method to make yes or no question from a sentence, from a statement? Just change the subject, object, subject, verb position. Isn't it? See, for example, we say he had eaten apples. Now yes or no question will be had he eaten apples. Isn't it? Now you want to get apples as the answer. Now the appropriate question word is what? And bring the question word at the front of the sentence, or start the question word question with the question word. Question word question with the question. So that will be what? What had he eaten? And then you will get the answer apples. So this is the principle, very simple. Suppose you get a question, they had visited the caves years ago. They had visited the caves years ago. The appropriate question word is, I will write it here, they had visited the caves years ago. You want to get years ago as the answer, then say when is the question word. When had they visited the caves? So the question would be when had they visited the caves? So that is how you do it. Simple. Yes or no question, then all what you have to do is choose the appropriate or suitable question word and start the yes or no question with that question word. See? Next, where? They had gone to the Himalayas. Where had they gone? Next, which? She had chosen this one. Which one had she chosen? Who? Who had taught you English? Who had? He had taught us English. Then, who had taught you English? Whose? They had taken all our toys. Whose toys had they taken? Whom? Students spoke to the principal. Whom had students had spoken to the principal? Whom had the students spoken? Or spoken to? That's also allowed. How? They had done it well. How had they done it well? How many? How many? That is, how many? No, they had purchased many books, or they had purchased 50 books. How many books had they purchased? How much? The prodigal son had spent much money, or thousands of dinars. Dinar, prodigal son, Jewish. So how much money now? So the dinars, then you have to say how many. So much money you can say. Or let's take another sentence. They had carried away much wealth. How much? Or they had carried away tons of tons of wealth. Then answer will be how much wealth had they carried away? Tons will be the answer. How long? They had taken 50 hours to complete the project. How long had they taken to complete this project? How far? They had traveled 50 kilometers to reach there. How far had they traveled to reach there? How often? When they were children, so yes, they had, in their younger days, they had gone to films 5 times a week. Addiction. So how often had they gone to films in their younger days? So you have questions with all these questions. Principle is the same. You have to choose the appropriate question word. First step is make the given sentence into an yes or no question, then add the appropriate question word. You will get the answer. I have given you examples for all these. 2 or 3 we have already worked out. Tomorrow, based on this, we will have an exercise. By that time, I think everything will be alright and you will have no problem to make questions in the past perfect tense. Bye.